Are you ready to supercharge your email marketing game? Email list segmentation is the secret weapon you need. Imagine open rates that skyrocket like never before. Experience click-through rates that make your competition envious. It's time to boost customer engagement to new heights. Feel the power of higher conversion rates flowing into your business. Personalized content? Say hello to inboxes that welcome you like family. All of this equals better return on your investment. Wave goodbye to high unsubscribe rates. Enjoy improved email deliverability reaching more eager eyes. Gain deeper insights into what makes your customers tick. Test and optimize your strategies for unparalleled success. Forge stronger relationships with customers who truly feel valued. Say goodbye to wasted marketing dollars. Segmented lists support your multi-channel marketing effortlessly. Address different stages of the customer journey with precision. But here's the catch. Implementation guidance can be tricky. Don't worry though. The right approach sets you up for victory. Are you ready to embrace segmentation and watch your results soar? Take the leap and unlock the true potential of your email marketing now.